Guys, let's be honest. Paying $20, that is 1,700 rupees every single month, just to use GPT or Claude, it hurts right here. But what if I told you, you can access the world's most powerful premium models, absolutely free. No login, no credit card, just pure, unlimited use. Today on Quorify, I am reviewing two hidden gems, LM Arena and AI Free Forever. We are talking about unlimited coding, unlimited image generation, and yes, even video generation. By the end of this video, your wallet is going to thank you. Let's dive in. First up, the legend itself, LM Arena. Now most people use this just to compare models, but here is the trick. Do not go to battle mode. Go straight to direct chat. Look at this drop-down menu. It's like an unlimited buffet of intelligence. You want Claude 4.5 Sonnet for coding? Boom, it's here. You want Gemini for creative writing? It's here. It generates full code, solves math, and handles complex logic. The only catch? Sometimes it hits a rate limit. But guess what? Just refresh the page or switch the model.
Wow, क्या सीन है? वाह, क्या सीन है?
You can also use their unlimited video generation by joining their Discord channel. Next up is AI Free Forever. Here you can get more than 200 plus tools. See, here you can get free AI image generator, free AI text-to-speech voiceover. Here you can use ChatGPT free online. You can restore old photos online, free AI sticker maker. Also AI art generator, transcribe audio to text and turn black and white photo to color. You can try all these features without sign up. But see, while using all this tool, keep in mind, they are getting trained on your data. You provide them, since use them accordingly. So let's end video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.